Las ongeta ni gabeta kunyara wekera na Chisukuru yo abasomwalimu monene w'Chisukuru yo abera kunyara gwesokya na kunyara go semia abaibuli amona abana ko bakunyara ko swa Chisukuru yo ane mona borgo kunyara kwelika so kunyara kunyara chikosi cha magoko nego babere bakunyara kwenekere go muna nigo Chisukuru fees chira kunyara ko ba cha magolinse kigima no go semi nigo se chisemi chira kunyara ko bachibirengo bigoro abasa borgo abo barach kunyara ko etenenera sensemo ye chisemi haroboti oruo na mange kere Kamila sabeta kunyara kurwarigania senchira iyo wikera
Tinga kia serikali ya Kenya kwanza egendrete neganga hiyo gosegeta abantu bekegori yonsi kwegera chikosi Chiobobundi ritukoria rere Chisukuru Chiobobundi ya nyaorege kubasa na serikali ya county ya Kisii na KCB Foundation nigo yarigania barokigwa be chikosi au ase Chisukuru yo
asama reta nengoro ku Steven Karanyaundi nguru ase Chisukuru ya nyaore Boikiraboniga. We were sponsored by the county government of Kisii under the with the accompaniment of the KCB Foundation. So lero ni wantu no moko monene asengenjo ya KCB Foundation ya lenga ntu bali to be successful kwenda uchi university tigatonyo araka baga ito nto so ase kosi tigacha maboko cyangwa to gocho kwekonya
asenkwana yeye maseye mona Edwin Mugambi oyoro morakelyo monene w'Chisukuru yo nigo agotorera yaiga.
My name is Edwin Mugambi. Mimi ni mwalimu principal mkuu wa shule ya Nyaore Vocational Training Center. Hapo we give skills to students ama to anybody who requires to have skills. Kama hii ukiangalia most of our institution around hivi 80% of the institution iko built internally by the students who work here. So you can see whatever they are learning, they are practicing it directly here before they move out kwenda huko nje. So the other thing about skill-based education is that a skill will be able to feed you. Once you acquire a certain skill, it will help you. So, haufai kusema ati ni wenye walianguka ama hii ni walifanya hii. Skill is important for every single individual.
Ogo tanyore grade yo kogende university tali oromo ile wobugima abarokigwa aho nigo bagendretse ko nyora maigeli Chiobobundi ayarabe yengenchi mono asebare asama tukabosio.
Nikiwa high school nilikuwa natamani kwenda university lakini si succeed. Sasa nikaona baada ya kukaa nje ili niende nitafute kitu ya kufanya kama hii ya electrical, ilikuwa my passion. Sasa nikaamua kuingia tu institute hapa Nyaore nisaidie kimaisha.
Komenta na yue abarokigwa bonigo bakorerabuna gasiteyo rengeto mwana mu murago so mwana munyaroka sebone amate yonsi yaborigwe goso yani chigasi chionsi
kitengeneza ndoa wasichana hii kosi ya masonary si wanaume peke yake, pia wasichana wanaweza fanya na ni kosi nzuri tena pesa.
Ni wako nje watu tafute kosi wafanye juu huko nje hakuna kitu watasaidika. Baada ya kuibia watu waende shule wafanye kosi yoyote inasaidia kimaisha.
Ninawaambia wale ambao wako huko nje at least wasikuwe wanakaa tu huko nje idle, wakuje tu shule wasome, watapata tu kazi yao yenye inawasaidia.
Egati abarokigwa bali banyortsoko sirwa nigo banekyo mogokobo kegima na gwakambu ya mona serikali ya county ya Kisii na KCB Foundation aseganga yabo yogosira chisemi.
I appreciate KCB Foundation with the government of Kisii County, which is led by Simba Bola Alati. Kindly, I take this time to appreciate for what you have done to us. We were around 1,001 students who were sponsored by the KCB and the Kisii County Foundation to fill as courses which give us skills to be great people in future.
Kuripotera Kisii Television kurigase bunge ya kitutu chache South Meye County ya Kisii, Eriane Kamilas ongeta.
Alright, mbia mono Kamila songeta asoko nyara gutwariganiria oroboti orurikia Abana ase Chisukuru Chiobobundi nere ujumbe babere bakunyara gwetie mambia rero. Alright, tuganyereta abageni baito bakunyara gocha studio bantebiringa abaisire gwikagaiga tugochakane gazeti ya The Daily